So I got this Batmobile on trade at a comic book store, and when I opened it up, it looked a lot like plastic and cheap to me. It had that two-tone. See, the lid looks kind of gray. It doesn't match. It's not all black. It doesn't look anything like the movie to me, where it has kind of like that satin finish. So I wanted to replicate that look, so I went ahead and blue taped everything off. I'm going to prep everything. I'm going to repaint it. I want to go ahead and I put all my supplies together. And what I did first is I cleaned it with Windex. And then I chose rubbing alcohol to get rid of any kind of grease that might be on there. And a tack cloth to get rid of any kind of dust that may be on there as well. And the paint I chose, Rustoleum 2X Ultra Cover Paint and Primer Satin. It's going to take about 3 coats. So 3 coats should do this. I'll do the first coat. I do it real light just to get a tack. So then the second coat, I'll go a lot heavier. So here's the second coat. I went a lot heavier right there. And the third coat, I'm going to go really heavy and go all in. You can see right there. And I'll let this set for about an hour before I touch it. And then here he goes, a finished product right there. Came out really nice. I'm really happy with it. I think it was a great finish, and it's going to look awesome in my home. Thanks, guys. Hope you have a good one.